Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Manpreet Kaur. So today's topic is present perfect tense. It is the third type of tense, is the present perfect tense. In this video, we will be covering its definition, its structure, its example, its structure, whether it's a mistake that we generally make in framing the sentences, and also we will be learning its regular verbs, irregular verbs with the helping verbs. So let's start it one by one. It connects the past with the present. Means the past is connected with the present. Action happened in the past. Let's understand it in a better way. Action happened in the past, but its effect or importance is still there now. Like, I have learned Spanish. Means in the past sometime I have learned Spanish, but now also it is important because now I can speak Spanish. Let's see one more example so you can understand better. You have finished your homework. You have finished your homework. Means at the one point of time you need to finish your homework, but now you have finished your homework. So it's effect. Now you are tension free. Now it's your effect. That is after effect. Finishing the homework is also still there. Past action plus present correction. The action which took place in the past is affected or it has some importance in the present. So they both are connected with each other. Past is connected with the present. Now let's see its structure so that we can form the sentences in an easy way. Subject, we all know what the subject is. The name of a person, anything. Has, have. Has or have, any one thing. Then the plus, past participle verb, third form. Now let's see where to use has and where to use have. Has is used with singular nouns. With singular like he, she and it. Or with a person, one person or with a one thing. Only one, because I have already told you it is used with the singular. Have is used with the plural. Have is used with the plural. And we, you, they, I. In this we use have. We have, I have, you have, they have. He has, she has, it has. Helping verbs have or has. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Now past participle, I was talking about the verb third form. Now what the verb third form is? We have two regular verbs and the irregular verbs. We already know regular verbs. In this verb we generally add ed at the end of the word. Like play, we add ed. Played, it becomes a verb third form. Finish, we added ed, become the word third form. Now irregular verbs, in this we have to change everything. Like go, we can't add good, G-O-E-D, we can't add. So what we did? Gone, go, gone. Eat, eaten, like this. It's time to learn the examples of the present perfect tense. These are the 4 examples of the present perfect tense that will be able to learn or understand this perfect tense in a better way. She is the subject, has or have. With she, we use has. I've already told you. She has written a story. Verb third form. He has eaten his lunch. They have visited the zoo. We have cleaned the classroom. So this was all about your present perfect tense. Go through all this video and let me know you have understood or not. Thanks for watching.